Imagine you're developing a new product and have spent months refining the design. Although you've gathered some user feedback, you haven't had a chance to test it in a real-world context. After the launch, user feedback is mixed. Some features have great adoption, while others leave users completely disinterested. Unfortunately, you have to make costly adjustments to the product. But this could have been avoided. How? By using Lean UX. Hi, my name is Alex and welcome to UX Tweaks channel. So what is Lean UX? How do we apply the Lean UX process? What principles does Lean UX follow? Today we'll answer these questions and we'll take a look at the Lean UX canvas, a template for Lean UX initiatives. Let's get into it. In traditional UX, the project is built upon requirements and deliverables such as wireframes or prototypes. The goal is to ensure they are as detailed as possible and fulfill requirements set at the start of the project. Lean UX, on the other hand, focuses on making immediate changes to improve the product here and now. So, instead of designing a perfect solution upfront, you create an MVP. Test it with users, make adjustments, test again, make adjustments, and so on. Usually, Lean UX goes hand in hand with the Agile methodology. Lean UX has several benefits. First of all, you launch products or features faster. This helps your product stay in line with users' expectations and requirements, making it more competitive. Secondly, you can find areas for improvement in the early design stages. By this, you will avoid costly redesigns after the product launch. Finally, you'll spot which products or features don't match market demands early on, saving time and resources. Lean UX revolves around three core concepts: team collaboration, rapid testing, and continuous discovery. Collaboration involves designers, developers, and product teams working together from the start to ensure a unified vision. Rapid testing focuses on quickly validating or discarding ideas, allowing for faster adjustments. Continuous discovery is an approach to user research. It is used in agile teams where research is conducted as small, frequent activities throughout the product development lifecycle. Now, let's take a look at the Lean UX process. Lean UX process model consists of three major stages: creating an idea or hypothesis, building an MVP, and testing. These stages are constantly repeated, similar to the design sprints. During the first stage of Lean UX, you define the problem to solve based on both users' needs and business goals. Then, come up with a potential solution. For example, adding a new feature. In the second stage of the Lean UX process, you create an MVP or prototype. The level of detail in the prototype depends on what you're testing. If you're just checking if the concept of a new feature works, skip the high-fidelity prototype. What matters is getting user feedback on the feature idea, not the aesthetic design, unless that is itself a key aspect of the idea. The final stage of the Lean UX design process is testing your idea or hypothesis. The goal is to confirm if the design solution addresses the user's problem. If you have the resources, you can run moderated prototype testing. This will help you get more qualitative insights, but it also takes more time. By the way, if you need help with conducting prototype testing, I'll leave useful links in the description. For Figma prototypes, you can also check our video guide. The link should appear in the right-hand corner right about now. To optimize your Lean UX process, my advice would be to use a Lean UX canvas. It's a template covering key elements to pay attention to during the problem ideation stage. It consists of 8 areas: business problem and business outcomes, users and user outcomes, solutions, hypothesis, assumptions, and tests. Teams can use it to align everyone on the project's objectives and ensure both user and business needs are addressed. You can find the Lean UX canvas in the description. We've covered almost all aspects of Lean UX, but what about documentation? Documentation is important in Lean UX. just like in traditional UX, but it needs to be more efficient. A good approach is to use a research tool with reporting features. For example, in UX Tweak, you can export a PDF with research findings. These reports include key metrics to help you track improvements. They're also helpful for quick brainstorming sessions, where you can summarize the findings in the key bullet points for the next sprint. Lean UX is a great approach, especially for smaller companies. Another key factor to consider when optimizing the design process is the research tool you use. We recommend using versatile research tools like UX Tweak. With one subscription, you get access to a full suite of UX research tools, including prototype testing, user interviews, mobile testing, and more. This allows you to cover various types of research without needing to invest in multiple platforms. Like and subscribe to watch more videos on all things UX related. See you next time.